So here we begins. So now I'm going to tell you the important NCRTs which you must read, क्योंकि NCRTs ना एक बेस है. तो अगर आपका बेस ही स्ट्रांग नहीं होगा तो आप स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स पढ़ ही नहीं सकते, क्योंकि वो आपको समझ नहीं आएंगी, वेदर आप उस बैकग्राउंड से हो या ना हो. अगर आपने स्कूल्स में भी अपनी NCRTs नहीं पढ़े, जो कि स्कूल में कोई बच्चा ध्यान नहीं देता, अगर मैं भी अपने आप से लूँ या कोई भी, तो स्कूल में हमें ये नहीं पता होता कि हमें ये NCRTs कितनी यूज़ आएंगी. उस टाइम हम सिर्फ उतना ही करते हैं जितना हमारे एग्जामिनेशन में इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है. तो इसलिए पहले आप 2 to 3 months अपनी NCRTs को डिवोट करें. जितने अच्छे से आप NCRTs को डिवोट करेंगे उतने अच्छे से आप अपने स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स को समझ पाएंगे और उनको जहाँ आपके क्वेश्चंस आएंगे आप उनको अच्छे से कर पाएंगे. Because UPSC is not how much book you are reading, but the book you read, you must remember them, what you have read and what you can recall. So now I am going to share. So we are going to start from important history NCRTs and political science NCRTs. So here we begin. So these are the NCRTs which are important for every government job. But for UPSC, they are basically very important because in mains, direct questions are asked from back exercise of your NCRTs. So for history, for ancient history, you can read 12th class ancient history book, whether new one or old one, medieval and modern. This doesn't matter that you are reading old NCRTs or new NCRTs, but if you will be reading old NCRTs, you will getting more stuff. But first complete your new NCRTs because they are not much lengthy and you will understand the basics. And yes, for world history, you can read 11th class world history book. But I can tell you, for pre point of view, you should only focus on ancient, medieval and modern, because the world history does not come in your prelims, but in from mains point of view you have to read your world history as well. Next part is political science. So for political science, you should first start with your 11th class Indian Constitution at work. Guys, listen, this is very important book because this book will make you understand whole politics, that what your constitution contains. Then you should move forward for 12th class politics in India since independence, through which you will learn how our constitution works. And then 12th class contemporary world politics. Yes, world politics is also important because you can find few questions in prelims, but in mains you will find many of the questions from this book only in IR as well.